From clouds to clicks, IMD's journey to India's palm. Forecasting the future, IMD's digital leap for a safer India. कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक, रेगिस्तान हो या मैदान इलाका, भुज से लेके नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया तक, हर कोना, हर मौसम, भारत की मीटियोरॉलॉजिकल सर्विसेज पहुंच चुकी है हर जगह। तूफान हो या तेज धूप, बारिश हो या बर्फ, हम हैं तैयार आपकी सुरक्षा के लिए। IMD, हर मौसम में हर जान की रक्षा। इंडिया मीटियोरॉलॉजिकल डिपार्टमेंट, protecting every life in every season. Today, the India Meteorological Department brings that same spirit into the digital age, using satellites, radars, and mobile apps to deliver accurate forecasts straight to your smartphone. From sky to screen, IMD keeps India weather-wise.
और आज ये वो दौर है कि विश्वसनीयता इतनी बढ़ चुकी है कि उदाहरण के तौर पर भरी बरसात में मुंबई में लोग बाग अपने घर से निकलने से पहले मोबाइल की ऐप पर दरियाफ्त करते हैं कि कितने बजे वो घर से बाहर कदम रखें, छतरी लेकर जाएं या ना जाएं।
IMD's mobile applications transform complex weather science into simple, actionable information. Rain or shine, every Indian deserves to know what's coming. With IMD's weather apps, forecasts are just a tap away. From city alerts to village-level warnings, farmers, students, travelers, and frontline workers stay informed and prepared. Powered by satellites, radars, and real-time data, these apps bring the sky to your screen. IMD Weather Apps, empowering every Indian, every day.
मौसम विभाग के काफ़ी ऐप हैं, उससे हमारे को पूरी जानकारी मिलती है। जैसे हमारे मेघदूत है, वो हमारे को समय समय पर फसलों की जानकारी देता है। साथ में एक दामिनी भी ऐप है जो हमारे को आकाशीय बिजली की जो घटना होती है उसकी पूर्व अनुमान हमारे को बताता है, जिससे अपने किसान पशु और खुद की सुरक्षा कर सकें। साथ में समय समय पर हमारे को मौसम विभाग द्वारा हमारे मोबाइल पर, व्हाट्सएप पर संदेश देते रहते हैं, टेक्स्ट मैसेज देते रहे, जिससे किसानों को उस जानकारी से हमेशा लाभ मिलता रहता है। इसके लिए हमारे को मौसम विभाग के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
The IMD website mosam.imd.gov.in provides hyperlocal weather updates, real-time cyclone and storm tracking, current temperature, nowcasts and 7-day forecasts. From cities to remote districts, citizens and authorities access reliable, timely information for better decision making.
Has state-of-art dissemination system. It has the website round-the-clock operational, common alerting protocol, and also the WhatsApp group for various disaster-related messages, and also sectorial WhatsApp group like agriculture and aviation. For outreach, it has been, we see the mobile apps also, Mausam app and all these things, they have been integrated.
IMD's communication extends across platforms. Daily and weekly bulletins are telecast on YouTube, while Facebook posts showcase weather research from over 36 labs nationwide. Twitter handles post real-time weather alerts, including rain updates, storms, and cyclones. Social media ensures timely updates reach citizens wherever they are. Awareness through social media campaign improve capacity of public to manage the weather. IMD's Mausamgram initiative delivers real-time information on rainfall, temperature, wind and cloud cover, empowering people to make informed decisions for any location from anywhere. The Mausamgram platform lets you get hourly weather forecasts for the next 36 hours, 3 hourly updates for the next 5 days, and 6 hourly insights up to 10 days ahead. Updated daily, this hyperlocal forecasts help local authorities, disaster managers, and farmers plan ahead. From coastal storms to inland heat waves, Mausamgram ensures no region is left behind.
IMD is committed to bring reliable weather services to every citizen. Our flagship Mausam app provides real-time forecasts, alerts, and weather updates. It seamlessly integrates the Damini mobile app for lightning warning and Meghdoot mobile app for agro advisories. Together, these digital platforms empower farmers, fishermen, and communities with timely, impact-based information, helping them stay safe, plan better, and build resilience against multiple hazards.
From satellites, Doppler radars, weather stations, and ocean buoys across India, IMD delivers weather information in citizens' own languages, reaching both digital and rural communities. Be weather ready, stay weather smart.